Want to build a steady income online without showing your face or writing a single word? With EbookWriter AI, you can create, publish, and sell ebooks on autopilot and turn it into real online business. Here's how it works. Start by entering your niche or topic, like fitness tips, self-help, or money management. EbookWriter AI instantly generates a full, professional quality ebook for you, complete with chapters, structure, and formatting. You can create as many ebooks as you want and upload them to Amazon KDP, Gumroad, or your website. Each ebook becomes a digital asset that keeps earning for you month after month. No writing, no hiring freelancers, and no complicated software needed. Just pick your niche, let the AI do the work, and start building your library of ebooks that sell themselves. Ready to turn AI-generated ebooks into passive income? Click the link in the description and start creating with EbookWriter AI today.